Bananas are radioactive. Have you ever wondered if the food you eat could actually be radioactive? It might sound a bit shocking, but it's true. One of the most common fruits in our kitchens, bananas, has a hidden secret. Bananas are radioactive. You see, bananas contain potassium, a mineral we all need for our health. But what makes them special is that they also contain a small amount of a naturally occurring isotope of potassium called potassium-40. Now, potassium-40 is radioactive. It's not something to be afraid of, though. This isotope is part of nature, and it's found in many foods as well as in our own bodies. In fact, bananas aren't the only food with potassium-40. Almost all potassium-rich foods, like potatoes, tomatoes, and spinach, have it too. But bananas are the poster child for this oddity, mainly because of how much potassium they pack into each fruit. So why does this make them radioactive? Well, potassium-40 undergoes a process known as beta decay. This is where the isotope breaks down, releasing energy in the form of radiation. The amount of radiation is so small that it's harmless, way below the levels that could cause any health concerns. In fact, you'd need to eat millions of bananas in one sitting to even come close to an unsafe dose of radiation. It's all part of the natural world we live in. Radiation is everywhere, even in the air we breathe. The Earth itself is radioactive, and the food we eat is no exception. But don't worry, the radiation in bananas is completely safe. In fact, it's so mild that if you were to eat 50 bananas in one day, something no one's really going to do, you'd still only be exposed to a fraction of the radiation you'd get from a single X-ray. Still, the next time you peel open a banana, you might look at it a little differently. You'll know that beneath its bright yellow skin and sweet flavour, there's a little bit of radiation, just as nature intended. So the next time someone tells you that bananas are radioactive, you can smile and share the truth with them. And remember, everything in moderation, even the radiation in a healthy snack. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to help the channel grow.